Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Once again, my name is Victor Agina, and in this short presentation, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make 6 to 7 figures from Oxford International Group. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get right straight into the meat of this thing. And if you stay with me to the end of this presentation, I'm going to show you two powerful ways to make money from the Oxford International Group. Now, here's a table of contents, an introduction about the company. We're going to talk about the businesses that the company engages in. We're going to talk about, we're going to tell you where the company's offices are in Nigeria, and then we'll proceed to the two powerful ways that I promised you. And then I'm going to draw the curtains. Okay, all right, without further ado, here is what the Oxford is about. Now, Oxford is a very, very, very big company with headquarters in Egbeda, Lagos State, Gowon Estate. Actually, now if you get into that estate, into the close, a close precisely where the company is, you find out the company has acquired almost all the property in that close. Okay, now Oxford is a multi-sectional business empire with tentacles across the entire business landscape of Nigeria. They create value, they create wealth in every sector of the economy. Okay, now Oxford Group is one of the most diversified commercial business empire in Nigeria. By diversified, I mean Oxford is engaged in real estate, and real estate business is the first business that they engaged in when they started operation in Nigeria in 2016 or 2018 or thereabout. So now expanded into agriculture and then banking and finance, oil and gas, information technology, and so much more. Okay, now Oxford was founded in 2016. So yeah, the company was founded in 2016. That's about how many years? 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We're in 2021. So that's 5 good years. 5 good years and standing, and hopefully it's going to last for many more years to come. Okay, the company is a very solid company. I can assure you that. Now, let's take a look at the founder of this amazing company. I'm sorry, the CEO of this amazing company. My name is Barrister Mrs. Precious Ogumike, a very beautiful woman. She is the group CEO of Oxford International Group, and so she is the CEO of this wonderful company. And like I said earlier on, the company started from real estate and then it moved into agriculture. Thanks to this beautiful woman, and she has gone ahead to pull the company from where it was to where it is right now. Okay, she grew Oxford International Group from a whooping 1 billion business venture to 8 billion naira within the first 6 months. You should clap for this woman. She's a performer. Okay, she enlarged the cost of the company through business expansions and not just in real estate but across other operating fields. Now, as part of her diversification strategy, Oxford Green Farms Limited came on board to extend the group's operation into the agricultural sector. And Safeguard Microfinance Bank Limited also came on stream as a group and in the financial services industry. Now, this is Ogabos in the name of Mr. Teniola Adesanya. Dr. Teniola Adesanya is a Nigerian real estate mogul. He's an entrepreneur, he's a business coach, and a philanthropist. He is the chairman of Oxford Group International and founder of Tenny African Foundation. He was recognized as one of the top 10 CEOs in 2018. And then, if you go to your Google right now, Google right now, and you type in this name, you'll see that he's still recognized in 2021 as one of the top businessmen. So this shows consistency. All right, now, let's talk about the businesses that this company is engaging in and how Oxford has been able to survive for the past 5 years. Oxford is in the real estate industry. Now, that is the first business that he started, right? The real estate industry, and I'm sure you know what real estate industry is and the kind of money that the real estate industry generates. Okay, Oxford is involved in the sales of land and property, and as a matter of fact, this is the first business that he started investing in. They have lands all over. They have lands in Ibejuleki. They have lands in Ogun State. They have lands in Agbara. They have lands scattered everywhere in Nigeria. All right. Number two, agriculture. Now, Oxford has a very, very, very big farm in Ogun State where they cultivate crops like pepper, like ginger, like turmeric, and all that. So, um, Oxford is also involved in dredging. Of course, you know what dredging is now. Like where they have trucks, like they have trucks in large numbers that are working for them, generating money on site. Bringing out, taking sand from one site to the other, construction companies and all that. So Oxford is also in the travels and tours industry. So if you need to take a trip from Lagos to Taiwan, Oxford can help you do that in your visa procurement, in your ticketing and everything. This company can help you do that. Now, Oxford is also in the HR business. Okay, so let's say you're a company and you're trying to get staff. Um, to work for you. Oxford can help you with your HR services. It can help you in, you know, getting the guys who are qualified for the job, interviewing them and sending them to you and all that. So they are also in the hotel and hospitality industry. Oxford has an hotel in Lagos, a very big hotel. If you know this business, and you know the hotel business is also a very lucrative business, and this is another way that the company generates funds. Also, Oxford is in the healthcare industry. I mean, health is wealth. And person we know well, no go fit chop, right? Oxford has like healthcare facilities that help you with your well-being. Now, Oxford is also in the real estate investment business. Now, what this means is, talked about real estate earlier, but what this means is that you can invest in the real estate arm of Oxford. By that, I mean, it's not just about you buying land, you investing money in their project. Let's say Oxford wants to build maybe 50 units of three-bedroom flat somewhere in Aja. You can invest in that project and make good money, right? Actually, it's also in the banking and finance industry. Banking and finance, they have a microfinance bank. And microfinance bank gives out loan and they get percentage, when they're collecting their money back. Also, Oxford is in the oil and gas industry. They have a fuel station in Egbeda, Lagos. Oxford is also into logistic business. So if you need to move your product or services, your products from one place to the other, whether interstate or intrastate, Oxford can help you handle that. Oxford has a school in Lagos State, a very, very, very big school. Now, this is another way that this company generates money. Okay, now let us look at when you talk about companies like this, people want to know, okay, where are their offices or where is their office? Now, Oxford doesn't just have an office in Lagos State. It has offices in Lagos State and in about 14 states, 13, 14 states in Nigeria. They have offices in Lagos. In Lagos State, they have in Egbeda, Gowon Estate. Okay, that is where the headquarter of the company is, and then they have another offices in Keja, in Surulere, and in Lekki. They have offices in the Delta State. They have offices in Ilorin, Kwara State. They have offices in Ogun State. They have in Port Harcourt. They have in Abuja. They have in Asaba. They have in Ondo State, and they have in Akwa Ibom. Now, I promised you that I was going to tell you like two powerful ways that you can make money from this company. Okay, and I'm going to do justice to that right now. Now, one of the ways that you can make money from Oxford is to become an investor. We already talked about the businesses that this company engages in, and we talked about how long that this company has about 6 good years, 6 solid years of doing these things. And for these 6 years, they have been paying their investors. Now, how does the investment thing work? You're going to invest in any of their projects, and when you invest your money with the company, one thing I like about the company is when you invest your money in the company, you sign a contract. They're going to present you with a contract, when you sign the contract, they're going to give you a post-dated check. All right. So let's say you're investing in the pepper farm for 12 months. They're going to give you a post-dated check that is cashable on the 12th month. So if they are not solid, they won't give you check, because if you take the check to the bank and it bounces, it's going to be a problem. So they wouldn't want to risk their reputation. Okay. Now, Oxford has quite a handful of businesses scattered all over, and your money is invested in any of the projects for either 8 months or 12 months or 24 months. Now, let's see some of the investment. Like this is the AgroVest. The AgroVest gives you 20% ROI in 8 months. The AgroVest, um, 20% in 8 months. Yeah, in 12 months is 35%. In 14 months is 41%. In the build vest, the building project gives you 35% in 12 months. The mortgage vest gives you 48% in 16 months. The oil vest gives you 70% in 24 months, and the dredge vest gives you 15% RI in 6 months. So you're going to choose from any of the investment plans, and for each of these plans, like I said earlier on, you're going to get a post-dated check to cover your investment. Okay, so there's no, and the beautiful thing about this company is that the investment is insured with leadway insurance. So if anything goes wrong, you're going to get your money back. So far you have that check with you, you're going to get your money back. All right. So here is this is also the investment plan. Profit in 12 months, 70%. Profit in 16 months, 48%. This is for mortgage vest, this is for build vest. So you see the percentages here. You can take your time, pause this video and go through this chart so that you understand this in better. Okay. Now let me give you like a breakdown of what the expected ROI when you invest. Okay, so let's say you invest 200,000 and you go for 35% ROI in 12 months. This is what you're going to get: 264,750. In if you do the 14 months, this is what you're going to get: 275,850. Okay, if you do 500, this is what you're going to get: 661,875, and in 14 months you're going to get 689,625. So you see that the bigger money that you invest, the bigger your returns. So let's look at, if you do 5 million in 12 months time, you'll be getting 661,850. That is an extra 1,618,750. Okay, if you do it here, you'll be getting 1,806,250. So let's say you do 10 million. 10 million will be giving you 30,237. That's a whooping 3 point something million extra on your 10 million. And now let's say you do 100 million. 100 million will be giving you an extra 32,375,000 naira. Isn't that amazing? This is so cool. Okay, now this is the second way to make money from the company. You make as an associate. As an associate, the company pays you 10% when you bring in a business. So if you bring in a business of 100 million, the first company pays you 10%. That is 10 million. No story. As soon as the investor pays money, they'll start processing your payment, and in the next 3 days, you will get your money in your bank account. Is this not amazing? I can't. In fact, my head is even swelling up as I'm talking about this business. I was in the office just 2 days ago, and these guys also offer like trainings. So it's not just about telling you to become an associate. They train you and teach you how to close deals, how to get leads, how to get prospects, and all that. Okay. So, Les Brown said, help others achieve their dreams and you achieve your dreams. It's very, 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 very simple. If you help an investor to achieve his dream of making more money, you're going to make more money. If you help an associate to achieve his dream of making money, you are also going to make money. Now, I just wanted to draw you back to this very fine man. You see, he is one of the top 10 magazine man of the year 2021. So his pedigree, he has integrity, is a man of honor. Okay, so this is basically what this business, the Oxford International Group, is about. So you have two options now. One option is to become an investor and let your money work for you, and the second option is to become an associate and you get paid a whooping 10% whenever you bring business for the company. All right, with that being said, it's time to draw the curtains. And like I always say, I can tell you everything that you need to know or you need to hear. At the end of the day, the ball is in your court. The question is, How do you want to play that ball? It is up to you.